chaos. Oh my god. What's up, guys? Squink here. I used to be a cop, and I want to answer a simple question, and that question is, what the hell are the cops doing? What are they thinking? What are they thinking in the moments that they're in these situations, in these videos that we always see? Like, what are they really thinking? Well, because I used to be there, I'm going to try to break it down in a way that makes sense, and in a way that's funny, and in a way that keeps you coming back every single day for more, because I do these videos every single day. I'm going to quit wasting your time. Today's video comes from Police Activity. It's titled, Armed Suspect Shot by NYPD After Pointing Gun at an Officer. Let's jump in. Maybe? Yes. Okay, this might be graphic, so never mind. Not what I thought was gonna happen. Oh, this must be an undercover cop car right here. No, never mind. Let's go, boys. Let's go. Oh my god. Don't hit the mopeds, don't hit them. That scared me. Dude, imagine being a cop in New York. That would be the worst slash the best.
Buy the cameras on. I can't hear the transmissions.
You know what I also love is that they're still using like the stuff they were using in the early 2000s.
I can't hear the transmissions.
Dude, this guy's a pretty good driver, honestly.
Talk to me, Sarge. Nobody cut us, right? It's got a firearm in there. That's as far as I'm concerned. Keep going.
They're doing a good job communicating to one another. Because I'll tell you guys, there's nothing like you get tunnel vision. Like basically I'm gonna use my fancy software. All you focus on is right there. Right there. Everything else around just starts darkening. And you just focus on that. It's crazy. So the passenger's doing a good job talking the driver through.
Why the fuck is he trying to pass me, bro?
Yeah, that was no good behavior on his part.
Yeah, get me help. Get me help over here. Watch, they're gonna throw something out. There's people running. There's people running.
Dude,
careful,
there'd be so much to look out for. All these people, all this traffic. I feel like I'm in it. I feel like I'm in the car.
Yeah, why do I have not a help? I need help from other commands. Why didn't they block that car, man? That was stupid.
Dude, there's so many moving parts to focus on. So basically what they were yelling don't is it looked like he was gonna he was taking it wide and he was in the oncoming traffic line. It was just sketchy.
He's gonna get stuck. He's gonna get stuck. Maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe not.
Look at that.
Oh yeah. Hey, turn left. Turn left.
Fantastic driving. Oh, school bus.
I think we're in the 7
We're in the 7-7. We're close to the 7-7 precinct itself. It's turning out to Utica. Turning out to Utica. Empty out the 7-7.
Dude, I don't even know where it is.
We're going towards the 7-7 itself, the physical building.
Oh, okay.
In front of the precinct. We're in front of the precinct. In front of the 7-7.
We're past the 7-7 right now.
In front of the 7-7. We're physically in front of the 7-7.
7-7 meaning precinct number 77. Yeah, here it is.
He's making his way toward the eastern parkway. Park in Utica.
He's stuck, he's stuck, he's stuck, he's stuck, he's stuck.
What's this guy doing? Who's he pointing at? Chaos. Oh my god.
About to get stuck in traffic. They just crashed. Hey, it's a baby! 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 He's making his way toward the eastern parkway. Park in Utica.
He's stuck, he's stuck, he's stuck, he's stuck.
Alright. I'm just trying to see. Okay, I'm just going to read this description here, because I'm sure you guys are confused as I am. 21-year-old Christopher Ferguson discharged several shots from a firearm at another person. Okay, let's skip ahead. Officers attempted to stop the vehicle near the intersection of Fulton Street and Franklin Avenue. The Honda, however, fled the location at a high rate of speed. As police officer Aguilar approached the Honda, Ferguson emerged from the front passenger door and pointed a firearm at the officer. As a result, Officer Aguilar discharged 16 shots from his service firearm, and Officer Reese discharged 3 shots from his service firearm, striking Ferguson several times. Ferguson was transported. The driver of the vehicle was also struck by gunfire. Okay, so the baby was not. That's good. I know this is hard to watch. Trust me.
They just crashed. Hey, it's a baby! It's a baby!
Okay. Wow. Yeah. So I didn't know any of that was gonna happen. Obviously. but I'm glad we're here together. Probably feeling the same way after the video. And this is what I have to say. There's no clear angle. You know, there's no nothing clear that we can see. We can't see the firearm. At least I couldn't. And it just goes to show how fast things can unfold. It goes to show how intense things are when a vehicle runs. And it goes to show why pursuit policies are so difficult to come up with, because people run for a reason. Oftentimes, people aren't running for no reason. This person ran. There was a baby. I didn't even see a car seat in there. This guy had a gun in the passenger seat. There's points when you have to stop the suspect. And unfortunately, as a police officer, you can't always know the entirety of the situation. You can't always know why they're running. You can't always know who's in the car. You can't always know who in the car is involved and who in the car is not involved. But one thing is for certain, when a pursuit ends and you start running up to a vehicle and a gun is pulled, you have to stop that threat, because in that moment they are a threat. It's your life or it's their life. We can't see what they saw, and it just goes to show why these situations are so intense. They had no idea that baby was in there. We had no idea. Those are my thoughts. Sorry the video was graphic. I know, it's rough. It's rough. But these conversations need to be had. These things are happening in our world. We should be concerned. We should have these conversations. Are there better ways the police should have handled this? I really want to know your thoughts, because without your thoughts, these videos are pointless. I hope you enjoyed. I do these videos every single day. If you could like, subscribe, comment, have a discussion with me, I'd love it. I used to be a cop for 6 years, believe it or not. I never was in a situation like this, but my goal with these is to just provide insight, and I hope I'm doing that. See you tomorrow.